Then I'm going to open a new project. Okay, and this project I need to start off with browsing for the correct template. Here I go up one level to look for the correct folder where the structural analysis default metric template is housed. And then I click on open. Alright. I'll have a new project, Revit project in my window. And if you see these parts, is for normal, we have the property palette, we have the project browsers, but the project browser here shows some pre-designed views. You have level 1, level 2, but we wish to have level 3 and level 4. In a 3D view, there is only an analytical model. There is no standard 3D view yet. Okay? And in elevation view, you have the normal view, all the 4 views. So the first thing that I'm going to do is that I want to modify the level to create level 3 and level 4. And we can go to the front view, which is south. Double click on this view, you're going to see the elevation grid line level 1 and level 2 in our window.
Sorry, must it be south, cannot be north?
It should be the same. North also can. North is back, south is front. But you will see the same thing, level 1 and level 2. Okay? And we want to keep the reduced level of level 1 as ground level, so it is 0. Level 2 here actually representing the first floor of the slab. And we want to make the story height as 3.5 meters. So I can change it here, or I can select this, change here. So there are 2 places where I can change. Okay, I can change this into 3.5 meters, press enter key, it will be changed. And you can also get this bubble out. And furthermore, you can even change the name. You don't want to call it a level 1, level 2, it's alright. For example, we want to call this as entry level. It's alright. Just change. It will be changed. And this level you want to call it, level 2 you want to call it story 1. It's okay. So we can change that, no problem. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to add on other levels onto it. So I'm going to look for this data tools. There is a level, and I click to select the level tool, and then you can see that it's trying to snap to it. Snapping, when you see this dash line, it's snapping to the end. When you see this number 3200, that is the time you can actually key in new dimension 3500 into it and press enter key to get that point. And you can move on to here and you get snapped to it, so the length will be snapped. And you have a new level which is marked as story 2. And we can now go up to the next level. Okay, 3500, continue. This is going to be story 3. Okay, I'm going to leave it here. So I'm going to stop it. Just press escape key and I'm done. Then I can modify to get the look of each level as consistent.
Can you show me how do you get story 2 installation?
Okay. Starting from here, take these two, and then you move
Where?
data. Okay, in the home tab, there's a data level. Choose this one. Okay. Then when you select the join tool, you try to snap to a certain point, for example here, and then you key in the height 3500 and press enter key. That point is entered. You move to the other side, so you snap to it to the other end. You click. Then you got a new story added. Tracy, is that alright? Okay, I can wait a while for you to complete all this. After you finish everything, you just click, press the escape key. Then we are done with the levels. Yeah. So please try to draw it up to this story 4. Okay, let's change our mind to get it to story 4.